I always dreamt to be a doctor, but I had to sacrifice it.
Meena's dreams were cut short. She could not sit for the state medical entrance exam despite being qualified. That's because members of her Valmiki community, who are traditionally manual scavengers, are not recognized as state subjects in Jammu and Kashmir, which means she cannot apply for a state government job, a scheduled caste certificate, or even a ration card. The only exception is the post of a sweeper.
Being a son and a daughter of a Safai Karamchari, I don't want that it should be restricted that I have to pursue that Safai Karamchari's job. I have the equal opportunity to dream well, to dream high, and to be in the high positions.
This is the fourth generation of the Valmiki community in Jammu and Kashmir. They were first brought in here in 1957 to fill in for the striking sweepers. Ever since, they've lived here, but always struggling for their basic rights.
As per Section 35B of J&K State Service Rules, only a hereditary state subject can get a government job. The Valmiki community members brought in from Punjab are still treated as migrants, resulting in no government jobs for them.
चलो अही ते साडी ते जिंदगी लंघ गई नपाड़े अही ते झाड़ू फेर लिया ते अपनी जिंदगी बसर कर ली ते जेडे बच्चे साडी आउण वाली हुण कोई 10 पढ़िया कोई 5 अपना 12 पढ़िया कोई 14 पढ़िया हैं जी उन्हां नूं नौकरी पेशा मिलना चाहिए.
The community has now approached the J&K government for recognition of their rights, and they hope that as the Indian Republic celebrates its 60th year, perhaps the new generation would see the change which the founders of our nation always dreamt of. With Pavan Bali in Jammu, in New Delhi, Arunima.